The Seagulls. Sanyu was feeling miserable. He was troubled by his performance in his examinations. He was a diligent student and paid attention in class. He did all the work carefully and followed every instructions given seriously. When his teacher announced the mid-year examinations results, he was ranked 25th in class. Brian, the class monitor, who worked half as hard as Sanyu, was the first in class. Sanyu was bitterly disappointed with himself. Why am I not performing as well as the others when I tried so much harder than them? He asked his father. His father understood how his son felt, but he did not say much. He took his son out for a walk at the beach. Both father and son sat side by side at the shore and looked ahead. Sanyu's father asked him to look at some sparrows by the shore. Whenever the waves came, these little creatures could flap their wings and rise into the sky quickly. Then he pointed at the seagulls nearby, who clumsily flapped their wings to escape from the waves, and said, "The sparrows are agile and fast, but the seagulls are the ones that can endure long distance. You may not be ahead of many people now, but you will certainly travel the furthest, son." Whisper of wisdom. You need to fight a battle more than once in order to win it. Self-reflection. Have you ever felt like Sanyu? Do you see yourself as the sparrow or the seagull? School is like a battlefield. You are always fighting the wars, like completing assignments and preparing for assessments. As long as you fight in the wars in school, you are a winner. Why is that so?